Army of Two video guide for nextgenwalkthroughs.com. This is the aircraft carrier level, the USS Constellation. This is probably my favorite level of the whole game. It was a lot of fun. I really like the design of the level and just how the whole level flowed. You start off the level parachuting into the aircraft carrier with guys shooting at you from pretty much everywhere. And as soon as you land, you get into a back-to-back moment. So just try to keep facing in opposite directions and you'll do alright. Like I've said before, when you're in back-to-back, you have unlimited ammo. So if you see people, just lay on the trigger and don't stop firing. And it doesn't really seem like you can die, or at least you can't die very easily in these back-to-back moments. So as you can tell, I'm just kind of like sweeping back and forth left and right, trying to see anybody that comes along, letting my teammate cover the other direction, even though he's spinning in 360 degrees, which is not the smartest way to do it. And this jackass comes along.
Learn to shoot, fuckos. I ain't carrying your corpses back to Dole.
Look, we ain't any happier to be doing this with you than you are to be doing it with us. So let's just
Haha, he's doing it with them. Another homosexual reference.
Who says that?
Oh, there's so many gay moments in this game. It's quite unbelievable. The easiest way to get through this is just one person go left and one person go right, and be patient because there'll be a couple guys coming around this corner right here. Wow, my partner's almost dead already. One thing I really don't like about this game is that you get to see your teammate's health bar, but you don't get to see your own health bar. Which doesn't really make sense. I mean, you can kind of tell how much health you have by how red your screen turns. But it'd be nice to have a little bar like I can see for my teammates right there. And right above the little picture-in-picture screen. Overkill. I think it's more fun to be the invisible guy, the ninja, while you're in the overkill. Oh shit. I just got knocked down. I thought you were invincible in the overkill. Oh man, the tricky part about this, the start of this level is that people can get behind you very easily. So you got to be careful not to push too far forward if you haven't killed everybody, because they will flank you, and this is pretty much the only time in the entire level that you can get, or in the entire game, that you're going to get flanked. So I'm running around looking for extra ammo, making sure there's no guys left hiding behind boxes or anything like that. And if you didn't see the intel videos already, there is an intel on the right side of the control tower over there. I don't pick it up in this video, at least I don't think I do, but I made some videos of intel locations as well. It'd be real nice to have a sniper rifle right now. Actually, the rocket launcher is pretty helpful when it comes to the helicopters that are coming up in a minute. So unlike the other levels where having the rocket launcher was a complete mistake, it's actually pretty helpful here. I wonder if there's fall damage in this game. I don't think there's any point where you can really fall far enough to get hurt. Like, because there's no jumping, but I wonder if they, you know, incorporated that in just in case someone found a glitch where you can fall from like the top of a building down below into a pit. Huh.